This is a guide to installing the Thermat floor heating system from Ouellet, Canada on a plywood surface. In addition to providing maximum comfort, the Thermat floor heating system from Ouellet, Canada is easy to install. Thermat consists of a heating cable which is spaced on 3-inch intervals and fastened to a self-adhesive fiberglass mesh. It comes in 16-inch wide rolls and various lengths depending on square footage requirements. The cable consists of twin conductor wires and a ground lead insulated inside an aluminum shield to eliminate magnetic fields. The cable also contains aramid roving fiber that increases the cable's resistance to breakage and provides superior tensile strength. Draw a room layout to scale and identify all stationary objects such as toilets, bathtubs, showers, and vanities, as well as the thermostat location. Fax or email us your room layout and we'll help you optimize your Thermat installation. Using Ouellet's exclusive estimator software, our technicians create an installation diagram including information on the required materials and tools. Gather all materials required to complete the project. For the warranty to be valid, check cable resistance at each step. Take an initial resistance reading before breaking the safety seal. Write the readings on the control sheet provided in the installation guide. Remove any debris, dust, or sharp objects from the subfloor. It is very important to have a secured plywood subfloor before proceeding with a Thermat installation. If you're using a self-leveler, fill the cracks in the subfloor and carefully follow the manufacturer's instructions. Using a marker, copy the Thermat installation diagram, indicating stationary objects as well as the direction the mat will be unrolled. Mark mat widths. Indicate temperature sensor placement, ideally in an unobstructed location, in front of an interior door, for example. To minimize floor height, chisel a channel for the cold lead heating cable junction. Unroll the Thermat on the previously marked floor. Reposition the mat as needed. When you meet a wall, cut the mesh and pivot it in another direction. Never cut or try to shorten the heating cable. To keep the ends from curling, staple the mesh to the plywood. Never staple the heating cable. Make sure the mat is stretched evenly. Never place sharp or heavy objects on the mat. To cover tight areas, cut the mesh in small sections. Then lay the sections one after another. When you meet a stationary object, cut the mesh and detach the cable. Secure the mesh with a stapler as needed. Next, install the temperature sensor. Slide it between two parallel heating cables. Never staple the end of the temperature sensor. Once the mat is fully unrolled, check cable resistance again. This reading should reflect the data recorded earlier. Pour the self-leveler and completely cover the heating cable, let dry, and install the floor covering. Perform resistance testing one last time. Connect the cold lead to the thermostat. Installation of the Thermat floor heating system is now complete. Be sure to allow the recommended adhesive curing time before turning the system on. Check with thinset or self-leveler manufacturer recommendations. Once the cement is cured, set the thermostat to the desired comfort level. Enjoy years of satisfaction and reliable comfort with the Thermat floor heating system from Ouellet, Canada. Easy to install, the Thermat system is the choice of professionals.